Welcome to another demo series of Bizdata product solutions. Today we will take a look at how eZintegrations product will help us to integrate team support to Google Sheets. For detailed explanation on eZintegrations product, please watch our product overview video on our website or YouTube channel. The eZintegrations product is a secured seamless integration framework that enables transfer of data between source to target systems with easy-to-configure steps. We use secure APIs and other means of inbound-outbound access provided by enterprise applications to enable this integration. Today we are integrating the source, team support with Google Sheets, which is our target. Without any further ado, let's jump into the application and let's see how the integration between these two are done. Before we jump into our application, let us see what data we are going to flush into our target. Team support is a B2B customer support software, which helps to manage tickets raised by customer information, tasks and many other customer-related activities. Now log into team support, which is our source. Today we are flushing all ticket information to Google Sheet with the help of eZintegrations service. So go to all tickets and see what records do we have here. We have some set of records here to push into Google Sheets. Now open your target Google Sheets, which we placed inside Google Drive. This is our sheet, in which we are flushing the data in some time. These are target columns, same as source. It can be given differently as well. For more information on column naming, refer documentation. Now let's jump into our application and bring data from source to target. Let us log into the eZintegrations application now. As we spoke earlier, eZintegrations provides simple step to enable the integration services. It involves configuration of source, configuration of target, and then creation of an integration bridge service to enable the integration service. To begin with, we configure a source from where we fetch data. In this case we go for source as REST API. We have already configured our source REST API and name the source as team support ticket. Let us show you how we configure it and what are the information you need to gather before creating source. Initially we provided source name and selected source type as shown in screen. Now come to the main part, input section. In order to retrieve the data from the source we use method as get. We are using basic authentication method. Username and password is nothing but your organization ID and token of your team support account. To know username, navigate to admin section on left bottom most corner and click on it. Under account settings you can find your username, which is displayed as organization ID. To know your password, navigate to Integration tab and click on Team Support API. Team Support API token is your password. REST URL details will be given in Team Support documentation. Once the source creation is complete, click on Data Targets on menu to configure target system. Since our target is Google Sheets, we do not need any database connection here. We are directly flushing the data to Google Sheets using REST request. So our target is RESTful API. Similar to source, we will show you how we configured target. Provided target name and selected target type as RESTful API. In output section, selected method as post. Because we are flushing the data into Google Sheets. Let us show how did we get this REST URL. Your REST URL consists of sheet ID and sheet name. Sheet ID is a combination of letters and numbers. And sheet name is tickets. For more information on Google Sheets REST URL, refer its documentation for better understanding. We gave max connection as 1. By default, eZintegrations will make 40 connections to the output and flush data in bulk. Since we are using Google Sheet, which is not a database, records cannot be inserted fast enough. To slow down the insertion speed, we will make minimum connection to avoid data loss. Navigate to Integration Bridge. We have created integration service called tickets_ts_g sheet. We have given integration bridge name already. Selected source type, source name, target name and target type as discussed earlier. Since we do not have database in target side, we cannot map source columns to target. Instead, we provide post body request in the text area given. Refer documentation for better understanding on syntax. Once you are done with configuring integration service, click on Start button to initiate the service. Now integration service has been started. Initially wait for 15 to 20 seconds, let the service read the data. It is like an engine, initially takes time to start. Once it is up, it runs smooth as butter. Please have patience. Yes. Within 20 seconds, our service started flushing data from source to target. Initial waiting time might vary depending upon the connection as well. All records has been brought to Google Sheets in real time. Let's verify records once again. Records and record count are matching perfectly as source. Similarly, we can create seamless integrations between two systems with our eZintegrations product. Thanks for watching. For more details, log into our website bizdata360.com/products/eZintegrations.